We really are trying to push this notion that we have to use the correct source for the correct use. So the correct supply for the correct use. And that led us to the partnership with Phil and Rec and Park in really looking at the irrigation needs for the city and understanding that we shouldn't be using our drinking water to irrigate our parks and our green spaces, but to really start looking towards recycling our water and using non-potable sources to keep our cities green.
The importance of this project is to really diversify our water supply. Instead of relying on our Hetch Hetchy supply, which is 167 miles away from us, and it is precious and it really depends on our snow and rain. And given climate change, we can't really depend on that. And so another source of water is water that we actually use that comes from the wastewater treatment plant. So if we can capture that water, recycle it, and use it for irrigation, that will allow us to free up the hetchy water and the groundwater and not use them for that purposes. So it actually saves us our precious hetchy and drinking water.